What?
Adam.
Huh?
Adamu.
I came in later earlier and I rushed up to come and greet you, but you're there lying down comfortably, snoring your life away in the comfort of your matrimony. Yes.
Hey!
I came to...
Adam Zelu.
Papa.
Wait. What is matrimony?
Matrimony, matrimonial and bed, they are the same thing. Bed means matrimony. And matrimonial means bed. That's why they are used together. They are the same thing. Yes. They are both interwoven. They are the same thing. Yes.
Hey! You have really improved. What happened?
It's practice. Yes. From teacher's practice to teacher's training. From teacher's training, yeah, I became an educational enigma, academic. I'm telling you.
Adanzelu, I am very proud of you.
Yes, I'm a very staunch academician. Academician.
Support the thing.
Yes.
Eh?
Academician can academically. I strive to make it. I strive, yes.
I am very proud of you.
Yeah, Mom. Oh, Mama. Oh. Make me a cake.
This is more than a cake. So let me. Bam!
Yeah? Is this for me?
Yes, very soft for you.
This is huge. This is suicidal. This is colossal. Colossal. This is voluminously voluptuous. This is enormous. Enormously huge. This is gigantism. Gigantic.
Chelu, wait.
Mama Beatrice, do you understand what your daughter is saying?
No.
Zim.
Yeah. I suffered to prepare this fufu for you. And you're speaking all this grammar for me.
Pardon my French. My French. Mama. This is suicidal. This has to be measured. This is here. Oh my goodness, Mama. Oh my God, this is bad. This is too much. It's fufu, it's not cake.
It's the other version of cake, don't worry. Mom, download. Go ahead.
This is magnanimous. Magnanimously, this is enormous, Mama. Embarrassing. This is embarrassing to my person.
What do you mean?
This has to be vamoosed. Vamos.
What does that mean?
I cannot eat it. You see, as much as I hate to hurt your feelings, this is a mass. This is a stadium. This is too much. This is on my aqua.
Maya.
Ndo, sorry. Hey, what have you done? Hey, Kimel, look at your face. Who put you up like this?
They beat me. Hey, Mogodo Yezulo Hitch. They didn't pity me. Etikam.
Ndo.
Why?
Sorry.
Oh, na pem nisi. Why?
Mana, what did you do? What did you do?
Nothing, no. Hey, irritration. Hey, hit your
Hey, oh, why you no come your fuma?
Why?
Don't you why you made this thing? Sorry. Hey, easy, sorry.
Oh, no, method na kwala. Why?
Sorry. Where's your car? Where's your car?
I left it there for them. I left it around for my life. In my next life. Hey, no man will humiliate me like this. I must go to school.
Hi.
You know, my father, okay. My father was a very stupid man. Wow. It's the cause of my predicament. Huh?
Baba.
Can't you see I'm reading book? You people are disturbing me.
Well,
Sorry, Professor. Sorry. But who gave you this book?
I went to Ike's house to see his auntie, and the auntie gave me this book and said, education is power, so I want to be powerful.
that's the spirit.
Be powerful.
Whoever gave you this, gave you life. Listen. From today, in this house, Bobo must not wash plates. He must not clean the house. You must not send Bobo on any errand. Allow him to read his book.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Yay.
Papa, thank you.
Just
Go back. Papa, are you serious?
Hey.
Are you serious? Dimoma. That is to say, you gave me meat. Abi?
I'll get you a mermaid. Nyala. Give me vinabium.
4 types of beans and
Types of beans. Beans. I thought it was not so full. You will eat. I will buy beans.
Sorry. Don't. Mom. Sorry. Mama. Your neck is swollen. What's that? Sorry.
very young ones.
See your eye, you did it. I am sorry. The mama sorry.
Bees, they live in large groups. Bees use waves.
Go back. Go back. No. Good yeah. Go back.
See your eye, you. Sorry. My mama gola.
Now that this girl is a big girl now, this girl is learned now and very sound. How do I get this girl now? Actually, you're a big boy now. You're a big boy. Relax. Okay, she's here now. Betty, my love. How are you? Oh, Betty, you're looking good. No. I'm not getting it. Okay. Relax. Achebe, come on. No be you again. Okay. Hi. Beauty, how are you? You're looking good. Wow. My love, see. I want to tell you something. Hi. No. Oh. Okay, this is Beatty. Hi, Beatty. How are you? Wow, you're looking good. Yes, I would love to. I would love to be your friend, and it's been a long time. How do I do this thing now? Okay. Okay. Viati, what's up? How are you? Fine, yeah. Oh. Okay, this is Beauty. Wow, Beauty, my love, you're here. What do I offer you? No, not that. You know, it's been a long time that... No, Beauty, wait. Actually, Beauty, see, I still love you. Yes, very much. Can we start from where we stopped? You see, I now have a job in the microfinance.
So, that
Beatrice, when will you be going back?
going back to where, Papa? I have come to support and help with the education system in this village, which is very bad. I'm not going back. I'm here. Mom.
Beatrice,
Papa?
I am surprised at your turnaround. Because in your school days, you hardly pass.
Nine. Change is constant. It's constant.
Allow me to talk. Beatrice, I remember vividly. In your school days, you hardly pass, and I will move from one teacher to the other, begging them to promote you from this class to the other one.
Papa, don't underrate me. Please, don't underestimate me, please. Please. Just told you now that I've gone to the city. I have sold and I have conquered. Bam! I say I'm here to help for the education system here. Papa, please don't want me with my past. Please.
I am
Supu. Speak more.
It's okay. I am here. I will be watching. I'll be watching.
Don't mind your father. Oh? My daughter. I am very, very, very happy. Oh? Supu. Speak more. Yeah! Mom! You are there. Don't mind your father. Oh? Bobo, you have been reading this book since afternoon. Also, my professor is okay. Come and eat. Come.
Oh, please, let me read my book.
At least, why are you scaring me? Eh? Are you an enemy of progress? My only hope of having a professor in my house. It is Katia.
My husband. I only.
Now check out
Cat and dog.
Come on. Leave your. Oh? Go back.
I asked him to come and eat. Nothing more.
Patricia, ever since I married you in this house, you have been eating food. I have been eating food. Can you lick this thing that is reading? Can you? Don't let me retaliate what they beat me on your body. Big up.
Cat,
Oh, come
dog,
on.
rabbit.
My cousin.
Onye boss someone. ETC. Get over ETC.
Daddy,
Bobo,
Bye-bye.
I am going to
aquatic
document.
animal.
Go.
I will not answer you.
I will give him food.
Papa, let me read aquatic animal.
So aquatic.
Yes, aquatic animal. Aquatic animal that look like they live in water. Example, fish.
Animal run, Animal.
Mom, can you come inside and sleep?
Okay, just leave me alone. Go and sleep.
Go ahead, just go. Let's go. I've not seen you this worried before. Is there anything you want to share with me?
Like I said earlier, go and sleep. I am fine.
Come, please go inside.
Just go. Go, okay, no problem, I'm coming.
I don't want to get alone.
Give me a few minutes, I'll be with you. Doctor has sent for you.
Okay.
It's about my husband's condition.
Alright. Are you sure you can do this, madam?
I am optimistic.
Really?
I love my husband. I can do everything for him.
That's good. But does he have a brother who can sacrifice his kidney for him?
Not at all. He's an only son.
That's serious.
I am all he has in this life.
Wow. Okay, good luck then. The operation is tomorrow. So I think all you need to do is just come and sign the consent papers.
I will. Thank you very much.
Alright, madam. God bless you.
Bless you too.
What? What did you just say? You mean you want to donate one of your kidneys to him?
What's your problem? It's my husband we are talking about here. He is my husband.
Just 3 days ago, you donated 1 pound of blood to him. And now you want to donate another kidney to him. This is unbelievable.
Stop! Sought for your opinion. Who asked for your advice?
I'm just saying my mind. As a friend, I have to advise you. You don't need all this.
Shut your mouth. I think you've overstayed your welcome. So just go. Shoot, leave. Go home. When your husband is sick, kill him. Idiot.
My love, I will never forget this. I will never forget what you have done for me. I want to thank you. Thank you very much.
You don't have to thank me. I did what I'm supposed to do. We are one. In marriage, 1 + 1 is equals to 1. And I know you will do more and much more to save me as well. I love you.
I love you too. But all the same, I still have to thank you. Thank you.
God, please heal me. Beg you, please heal me.
Mommy, come, let's go inside.
Hey. What is this now? What is this? What is this? My love. I'm sorry. Eh? See, if you ever accept me back again, I will make you the happiest person on earth. Huh? I'm sorry now.
Achebe, are you okay? Is everything alright with you?
Papa, everything is alright. Okay. Everything is alright.
So why are you still awake by this time of the night?
Like the father, like his son. Like the father, like his son. Like the father, like his son. Okwa even nane make and one like the father, like his son. Okwa even one make and nane like the father, like his son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. If a nice go born another woman like the father, like his son. A guy man no can born another guy like the father, like his son. Even a muku can born begin will be like the father.
Where are you going to? Oh, I'm going to find her. I have found the name of her village. It's contained in that application letter. Let me go there and get her.
Turkey, chicken, turtle, snake, crocodile, frog, toad.
Oh, you didn't hear? My ballista. Ballista at raw. Mama, get give me.
I'm thank you, Papa.
Yana, go. You see, I bought bread and mineral for you.
Thank
so that
you,
you will
Papa.
have enough strength to lead. I want you to be a royal.
Thank you, Papa.
You must be a royal. You see those small boys, those police boys that beat me the other day, you will take them to court.
Yes, I'll take them to court. I'll take them to police.
Not just that, you must make sure they take them to prison yard. Oh?
Yes, Papa.
Take. Oh, you make your father proud.
Yes.
Oh, Mama. There.
Won't you wash your mouth before you eat that bread?
And how is that concerned you? Where goes your basarago? Huh? Tablet here, oh? Itasiaya. You drink your mineral, oh? Make sure you take good care of him. Let me go and take if those criminals left my card here. You see, can one, oh?
Come on. Come on. Eh? You will not take your bath. You will not eat. Eh? You will not even brush your teeth. I knew that in this book, I did not go to school, but I know something in my brain. That in this book there is every morning, every day, wash your mouth, wash your teeth. Because, matodo, you start smelling. Ngwa, halele, stand up. Oh yeah, stand. Ule, stand up, my friend. Ngwa, what's this up?
Like a father, like a son. 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 Okwa even nane make and one make. Like a father, like a son. Okwa even one make and nane make. Like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Humanizer go born another woman. Like a father, like a son. A guy man no can born another guy. Like a father, like a son. Even a muku can born begin we be like a father, like a son. Mbe unatazia fifia na like a father, like a son. Mwaya nene anyanono like a father, like a son. Mbe nele na bosso ni mafia like a father, like a son. Mwaya nene anyanono like a father, like a son. 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 If a nane make a wagame like a father, like a son. Messia, guru me. Like a father, like a son. Messia, guru me. Like a father, like a son. Akwaya yemota yemwero guru. Like a father, like a son. Kita yemota lili fena po. Like a father, like a son. Like a father, like a son. Like a father, like a son.
What is wrong with your car?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay, I don't know. I barely started this car 3 days ago. I don't know what is wrong with it.
Well, when did it start?
Just now. I came from the house.
When start it?
No, we cannot start. It's not even peaking. See, the battery is not even bringing light.
Is your alternator? Is either the alternator or the carburetor?
Why? So what am I going to do in this strange place?
How do I get a mechanic?
There's no mechanic in this village.
What?
Not at all, unless you have to go to the township. Huh?
So...
Oh. See, I need to find somebody. The person took something very valuable to me, and if I don't get the person, it will be too late for me. I might get lost.
Who is the person?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. Just let me get the address for you so that I will show you.
Okay. Onye kote gogodo ye kotelie. Ru no malita nwa anya akwubia na anwu. Ifa na anya anya.
Look at the address.
I can't lead. Is the person from this village?
Oh, sorry. The name of the place is Okimiri.
Oh, Okimirinka. It's close to my place.
Okay, it's a place far from here.
Yes. What is the person's name?
Nzelwe. Yes, Nzelwe.
I don't know the person. But let us ask question. Let's ask question. Oh?
Thank you.
That is why I've come. I still love you so much, B.
Chibi, level has changed. Level has changed.
See, I can take care of you now. And I work in the microfinance bank. I can take care of you.
Are you sure? Because looking at you now, I remember when we were kids, when we went to write exam, and you were covering your book so I won't see anything. I ended up submitting an empty sheet.
That was then. I was a boy then. But now, I am a full-grown man.
I'll think about it.
Okay, can I follow you and wait while you think about it?
If you want to, I'll be sleeping. Yes.
Okay, I'll wait. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. I sing.
Oh.
No, I'm good. Let's go. Sing good, love. I'm a long time.
Like a father, like a son. 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 If a nana make a wagame, like a father, like a son. Messia, guru me. Like a father, like a son. Messia, guru me. Like a father, like a son.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Auntie Beatrice, the teacher, so I can collect more books.
Did you just say Beatrice?
Yes, ma.
Was she the one that gave you that book?
Yes, ma.
Wanyota, what is going on?
No, please, come and take me to that lady, please. I need to see her. Help me.
I should take you to her.
Yes.
Did she steal from you?
Yes, no, so, listen. She has something very precious to me. I need you to take me to her so that I can collect it from her. Any amount I can pay you.
Stop talking rubbish. Huh? I'm gonna see. Why are you talking like that? I should take you to Beatrice, but I'm gonna see.
Hey, are you shouting on me?
I am shouting at you.
If you shout that again, I'm going to call the police on you.
You will call police for me?
Yes.
For shouting?
Yes.
Hey!
It's an insult.
Because I'm shouting. Oh, shut up. I talk on them. Because I'm shouting. You will call the police.
Just calm down. Why not matured enough to help?
I'm not matured. I am not. I'm with. What kind of insult is that?
Okay, sorry. But please help me talk to your father.
But don't listen to her. Are you a glib killer? A woman that has been teaching my son to become a professor. You want me to take you to her house to arrest her? Enemies of progress. Don't listen to her.
Are you going to leave me here?
Stay here. Bobo, let's go. When your police comes, you people should drive the car and go. Yalla. Bobo. Nonsense. Enemies of progress.
What
What is this now?
Oh, Lord.
This is the house.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Bobo, listen to me. You must not bring anybody to this compound. You know why?
No, Papa.
I want you to be the only student that she will be teaching, so that you will become the only professor. Oh, Professor Bobo?
Okay, Papa.
Viti wanyama, Viti omaricha ewo, sige weniwe na chigi sogaga. Chai. Who is that? Who?
Good afternoon.
Who are you and who are you looking for?
My brother, anyway, we are here to see the village teacher that just returned from the city.
Oh, you're here to disturb my love.
He is my brother. He wants to see the teacher and thank her.
And that's all?
What do you mean by that's all? We want to see the teacher. One teacher. Are you afraid? We are not kidnappers.
My love is sleeping. You can go and come back later, or if you want, you can wait.
Let us
No. You wait outside. Wait outside, yes. Wait outside, you can.
Like a father, like a son. 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 Okwa even nane make and one name. Like a father, like a son. Okwa even one name make and one name. Like a father, like a son. If a criminal pop begin, he go be criminal. Womanizer go born another woman. Like a father, like a son. A guy man no can born another guy. Like a father, like a son.
Where is your mother?
Good afternoon. Who are you?
We are from the state check. We are here to see your mother.
She's not at home. Any problem?
That makes you have to come with us.
I have to come with you where?
Right now.
Why? Where is your arrest warrant?
Okay. Young lady, we don't want to push you. You have to come with us gently.
I don't know who you are.
Move it! Move it!
I can't just come here. It's not more time. You are thinking you can kidnap me. Leave me alone. I have to my mom. I have to my mom. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What do I call this? Why should I be under this kind of pressure? I hate pressure. I hate pressure. Okay. I know what to do. Hello, DPO. Good afternoon. I have found the name of the village of the girl. I found her village. What? DPO, no. Please don't allow. No. Hey.
Please.
Are you still here?
Wake her up.
Why? I thought I told you people to go and come back later.
No, it's not.
See, I am not going to wake her up. She's resting. She has worked so much and she needs to rest her brain. So you need to leave her alone, let her rest. Please go and come back later.
Papa, you can go. I will wait.
Hey, Bobo, I will not go. I want to thank her for the book she gave you.
Okay. You will not go. Hey, I know your plan. But your plan will not work. You want to come and disturb my love.
Hiya.
See, I will tell her myself that you came to thank her for the book she gave you. I will do that. Just go and come back later.
Papa, you can go and take your taxi before those sleep.
Papa, I will not go.
You will not go, eh? Okay, let me get something. But I don't want to see inside this place. There are dogs here. Hey, too massive. Police dog, Asation, Taka. Each was equal.
I will have to go. Oh? Don't open it. He said there are dogs there. Oh? Are you hungry?
No.
I'm going to somewhere very important.
Don't worry. Just come and take me home because see, my daughter is in problems. She's not safe. She's in danger. Any amount I will pay you. Please, I'll pay you. Please, I beg you, take me home.
I'm going to somewhere very important.
No, mine is more important because I'll pay.
Thank
you. Arrest my daughter for a crime she did not commit. If you think I am guilty of whatever they're accusing me of, why don't you arrest me instead and leave my poor girl alone?
Have you brought the documents I asked you to bring to me? Have you provided them? I promise you, you will die a slow and a painful death if within the next 48 hours you do not provide those documents.
Wanyota, crying does not solve problem. Eh? You have been crying since, and you may be pancake eater new. Eh? Please take. Clean your face.
Thank you.
Tell me, what exactly are you looking for?
Oga, I brought some white men to buy our land where oil was discovered.
Organ.
Oil.
Oil. Oh, mano.
No, oil.
Oil.
Yes. As soon as the first stage of the agreement was signed, husband started misbehaving. I got him with our maid, and when I confronted him, he beat me up and filed for a divorce.
Are you telling me that the great Igbeselu is your husband?
He's my husband.
Oh.
He sent me and our little girl out of the house. But unfortunately, the white men backed out of the deal. They refused to continue with the contract. But I heard that a few weeks ago they came back. And he couldn't find one of the pages of the contract paper. So he's been threatening me. He's been looking for it. He said he does not want to miss that contract.
Did you live with it?
It's not that I left with it, but when I saw it, he misplaced it. He kept it carelessly. So I picked it up and put it in a book. But one day I saw Beatrice opening the book. Now I can't find the book. It's like Beatrice left with it, so that's why I'm looking for her, so that I can recover the book from her. Husband threatened to kill me if he does not find the book, if he misses the contract. And he knows he's a very mean man. He will do it. He will kill me.
In that case, we will have to go and look for Biati. Huh?
Do you know where she is?
I can find her. Call Beatrice. Oh, it's important. Very urgent. Oh?
I should go and wake my love up because of your stupid important nonsense.
Don't say no, because
Makagini Pono for what now?
No. Oh, call her.
Somebody's life is already at risk.
Meaning?
In fact, I will pay for inconveniences. Yes, I will pay anything. I will pay.
Just
wait. Okay. Just hold on. Stay here. Eh?
I beg you, please help me. Dora has been arrested and my life is in danger. Please help me.
Did you bring police to arrest me?
No. I will not. Please, I promise. I will never do such a thing. Listen, there is a page of a paper, a leaflet, inside one of those textbooks you took from my house. Please get me the textbook. If I don't get that paper, I will die. It will kill me.
I'll bring the boxes. They are inside. But please don't arrest me.
I will not arrest you.
Don't arrest me.
Just come bring it. I will pay you for inconveniences. Yes.
Oh, Achebe, come and help me. Please. Let me bring the boxes.
Thank you.
Don't arrest me. Don't arrest me.
Wait here. Come in.
Guy.
We came together, just let him be. I want to see the king.
Yeah? The king?
Yes.
You got to me not to open this gate, you.
I want to see him.
Okay, quick one, they go outside.
What's going on here?
Hey, don't go out.
I want to see the king.
Your Majesty.
How are you?
Fine. What's going on here?
She wants to force herself into the palace.
I want to see the king.
It's alright. Your Majesty, please. This way.
Thank you very much.
You, come back.
We came together.
Huh? I will look out for.
Your Majesty, you have a visitor.
Your Majesty, I have found the missing page of the contract.
Just go and thank your star.
Can I tell the police to release my daughter?
They will release her to you.
Okay. One more thing. I would advise you don't allow them to put a single block on that land without the final signing of the contract.
I did not ask for your advice.
Mom, don't tell me this did not happen. What is going on?
I am sorry. But the battle is over now.
Don't tell me that, Mom. Don't tell me that. Why was the police after you? And I want to believe it has to do with Beatrice.
Dorothy, if you will sit down, calm down, I will explain everything to you. I will tell you as it happened.
Let me be going. Oh, I will come back later for your khaki so that I will take your motor to the mechanic. Oh?
Thank you very much for today.
Don't mention it.
I will reward you someday.
Don't mention it. It's a bad.
Take care.
One more thing. I would advise you don't allow them to put a single block on that land without the final signing of the contract.
Abby.
Your Majesty.
Go. Tell the white men to vacate that land immediately until further notice.
Yes.
Now.
Your Majesty. Yes, Your Majesty.
So, why did you say you're here again?
I want you to help me with more books.
More books?
Yes.
You're a good boy. You're a very, very good boy. Yes. You're a very good boy.
Wait, that's that illiterate. What the hell?
You are an illiterate. Okay, follow. You taught me that rubbish English that made police to treat me like a criminal. Eh? Iti, Baba, she will not teach you again. Oh, stand up, let us go.
Papa, I'm not going with you. I want to stay here and read books.
Shut up! This woman has nothing in her skull. Mba, you are more intelligent than her. You won't teach my son again. Stick does not sharpen iron.
Yeah. Who is stick?
You! Eating potoko! Eating volleyball! I am more intelligent than you. I will come back for you.
Papa, stop now!
By the time I will come back, I will retaliate. Since you have the effrontery to disgrace me. Come on, come on.
Gigantic English, Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo.
Beatrice, what are these books doing outside? Are they not your books?
They're my books. I want son to beat it so that the book will rest. Me too, I need to go inside and go and rest.
If you go kusi osena wate kanima hancha bon mama opifone kusi no manoluze kakoba se ni fetele na.
Mama Beatrice, back them.
Beatilisi kusi Beatina sopa gigantic English yo Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo. Beatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye nkuzi. Beatina sopa no opokotic English yo Manoluze kakoba se ni fetele na popo. If you go like the father, like the son, like the father, like the
Yes! She said yes! She said yes! Oh my God! I'm so happy. Come down. I said you should come down.
Nine.
Eh?
What is it?
Patricia.
Bobo, what is it?
Papa doesn't want me to learn from Auntie Beatrice.
I will be a stupid man to allow him go back to that house. Eh? There is nothing in that her big head. She has been teaching him rubbish.
Nine, easy, Jirenwayo, my husband. I thought you want him to be a lawyer.
Not anymore. That woman was the woman that taught me that nonsense English that made police people to beat me up the other day. Eh? She's the big illiterate. There is nothing in her brain. Huh? Hey, come back! Yeah. But here.
Leave this boy! Leave this boy!
You are not going there.
Oh, no, Nine, wait. Leave him. What is this? Oh, only you, illiterate. Lawyer, no. Beatrice, Ogini.
He will not go back there.
Leave myself for me.
Okay, go no if huh?
My love, you know I cannot live this life without you. I love you so much. Will you marry me?
Only a foolish woman who refused to marry you.
No. And what in God's name is going on here? No, what is going on here? This is it. No, Achebe, this is it, right?
What? What exactly?
The ring you bought for me is what you want to use and propose to this village woman.
No, it's not what you think. No. How can I do such a thing? It's not possible. I was only rehearsing how to put a ring on your finger when I see you.
Really?
Yes.
Better be a rehearsal then. Put the ring on my finger now.
Wow. Your nail is fine.
Yes.
Very nice.
Put the ring on my finger.
Hold on, let me clean it.
Actually, you're wasting my time.
Oh, sorry. On your finger, right? Wow. It's gonna look nice on your finger.
Chebe, you are wasting my time.
Okay. Wow, it's so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice.
I'll marry you.
So nice.
It's
so nice.
Oh, baby.
That dream is not my portion.
Auntie, good evening.
Good afternoon. I hear you.
Auntie, please can you help me do my assignment?
Hey, yeah, go home. I told you I want to rest. Can you not say I'm sleeping? I'm sleeping now. Go.
But you told me to come back today.
I did not tell you to come back today. I said I want to go and rest. As you can see, I'm sleeping now. Go home.
Auntie, please, no.
What's the question?
Name 2 aquatic animals and name 2 carnivorous animals.
Aqua what?
Aquatic.
Do you know it?
No, that is why I am here.
The teacher does not know anything. Go. There's nothing like that.
But auntie.
Okay, see me here. Carry me to your school aquatic. Take me there. I said there's nothing like that. Go and tell teacher. They don't know anything. Say Zakwa.
Beatilisi onye kuzi. Beatina sokwa gigantic English yo. Onye kuzi. Manoluze kakoba se fetele na popo. Beatilisi baboso. Beatilisi bani una makwa nofu onye kuzi. Beatina sokwa no okotic English.
My driver, who beat you?
Auntie Beatrice doesn't want to teach me.
Is that why you are crying? Ngwa, stand up. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. When you grow up, you will go to school and learn very well. You know you are a smart boy. You will know how to read very well, okay? Now go back to your parents. Stop crying.
Thanks, Mom.
Be a good boy, okay?
Now
go. Bye.
I think I have to reconcile with my wife. After all, she is still my wife. Abby! Abby!
Your Majesty, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. At last, the contract is signed.
Abby,
Your Majesty.
get the car ready.
Yes, Your Majesty. Is there a problem, Your Majesty?
Do as I ask.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What do you want? What is it again? I have given you the paper. Can I have some peace?
I came to apologize. I am sorry for all that I have done. I ask for your forgiveness.
You don't need to apologize.
I have been restless. I haven't had peace. Please forgive me.
So what do you want?
I want you. I want you back to my life. You are my wife. Please come back.
Your wife? Mom, what is happening here?
He's your father.
You told me that my father is in jail in Brazil.
He's here now. He's your father.
Is this Dora? Are you Dora? My daughter? Are you?
Yes, she is.
My child, come.
Oh.
Please, I regret all my actions and I apologize for them. Forgive me. My love, find a place in your heart. Forgive me. I beg you. Please.
Mom, you're not saying anything. Why did you lie to me?
It's not your mother's fault. It's all my fault. Please forgive her. There you are.
Today is actually a good day, you know.
For real? Maybe you've been expecting someone.
No, I just got my delivery.
Okay. It's okay. I'll take my leave now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, you know, I won't be able to see you off. I'm very tired and had a hectic day. But I'll sure give you a call. Yeah.
Bye.
See ya.